Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the life of a slime scammer. So let's get started. By the way, this is a skit and I would never do this in my life. Great. Someone ordered a slime package. Great. Just great. So let's see. Wow, this person ordered a lot. Let me write it down on a piece of paper. Actually, I just checked on my computer. She DM'd on me that too. So she wants one jumbo green apple slime, clear slime, whatever, $50, a lip gloss slime, $30, and then she wants a nail polish slime. What are these things? And then she wants a mascara slime. So then she wants extras included, 5 extras at least. Great. So yeah, let's get started. So what she first wanted was a green apple clear jumbo whatever slime. So let's say I sold the last one to myself, so I'm out of stock, but I had this thing that I just wrote green apple slime right now, because why not? And then it's really jumbo, and it's clear, and it smells like green apple, you know, and the green, you know, but it's gel. I mean, if you touch this part, it will be slime, right? Yeah. Great. It would totally be slime, so yeah. Next one. So she just DM'd me and says she does not want a mascara slime. So yeah. Okay, so the next slime she wanted was a lip gloss slime. So she's fine something. Okay. Let's say I just put the picture up there because it looks really cool, but I don't have one. So I've never had one in my life, and I'm too lazy to make slime right now. Ew, there's a hair. So I have these two nail polishes. Sorry. I have these two thingies, whatever. Yeah. But they're too pretty. But I think this one was like $3 at Target. It's really cheap. And I don't know how much this was. I don't really care. But it's way prettier. It's like so gorgeous. And did you see that? And then look at this one. It's like so not full. So we'll give her that one. Yeah, we'll give her that one. I'll see what I can give her it in. But yeah, whatever. I think I found a bag. Yeah, I found this Food Max bag, whatever. So I just put it in there. So next slime. The next slime was the nail polish slime. So what? Yeah, the nail polish slime. Let's see what we could give her, because I don't really know if I have a nail polish slime. I think I do. Oh yeah, I checked my slime collection and I do have one, but guys, they're so pretty, so I'll just give her one of these that I got for Christmas. Who cares? Like, I mean, I don't need this clear one. I already have one of those. That's what I'm giving her. She can make any different color. I'm not giving her one of these colors. These are so pretty. Okay, so back to what we're doing. This is what she's getting for her nail polish slime. Great. So now she wanted a, let's check it out. Okay, so now she wants, now she wants a mascara slime again. Okay, whatever. It's gonna be $100 because she's wasting my time here. So we have this mascara because people, I ain't got a mascara slime. So I don't even have a black slime. So here's the mascara slime. It's actually mascara. At least she's getting two, like the ones that people use, you know, or whatever. And then there's a white mark. I don't use that part because it's so annoying. It's like, why do you have to use that? It's gonna make your eyelashes white. So anyways, that's what she's getting. So that was the last thing. So let's ship it to her. I'll just put this book as an invoice. Has everything on it. Oh, by the way, the total, she wanted extras, at least 5 extra. Okay, so that's 220 total, but let's get her some extras, some really bad extras. This chocolate, whatever, I don't really care. This cap of a marker, that's 2. This empty thing, that's 3. And this, what can we give her? And this. Great. All edited. So, yeah. That's 4. That's 4. 5, 6. So, yeah. Let's go ship it to her. By the way, if you would like to see the girl's reaction, just wait and turn on your notifications for the next video I upload. Bye!